Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids, and what I've got here is the Kitsound Air. This is a DAB and FM radio, but it's also got the added functionality of being able to connect the device via Bluetooth. It's also got a rechargeable battery inside, so you can actually charge this via micro USB. Now what struck me when I first got this out of the box is all the little tiny bits of attention to detail and the little design quirks. One of the funnest sort of radios that I have actually reviewed, because I didn't discover this until quite late on during my testing, but we've got a strap here for carrying the radio, and then where it rotates, the actual volume control is just on the front here. How cool is that? Very, very cool indeed. I was so pleased that they integrated this volume control on this front dial, where you would normally just see the hinge sort of mechanism for the integrated strap. Really very good design. We've got a nice display on the front, and we've got a rotary control just on the side here where we can actually turn the radio on and off, and also control the backlight for this display. So if I turn it to off, we don't get the backlit display. If we turn it on, then we can obviously see this display a lot clearer. Now also on the side, we have got another rotary control where we can switch from the DAB setting to FM to the auxiliary input, because you can plug something in via the 3.5mm audio jack, or indeed to Bluetooth, where you can connect something via Bluetooth. Just back round to the front very quickly, just to give you another look at the overall design. We've got this really nice sort of metal or metallic finish grille to the front. This isn't cloth, this is a hard material. I'm pretty sure it is plastic coated metal on the front to give it some strength. Round on the back, I've currently got this plugged in charging via micro USB. You can charge it with pretty much any USB charger. You do get a power adapter inside the box. We've also got the input just hidden behind this cable here, 3.5mm auxiliary input as well. And then we've got this little port in the back. This is just to aid with extending the sort of bass frequency that this produces. And then we've also got the aerial. This extends very long indeed to give you good DAB and FM reception. I'm not going to extend it in this video, but it goes very long, and then obviously clips back down onto the back of the radio when it's not in use. And then across the top, we've got all of the controls, and these are all touch sensitive, so this is really cool. From left to right, we've got one that acts as an enter button. It also pauses and plays the music. It also allows you to use this as a speakerphone, so if you've got your phone paired with this and a call comes in, you can use this to take the call. We've got a little tiny microphone just underneath as well. And then we've got some left and right for navigating through the menu system, an actual menu button, an info button, a presets button, and a snooze and dim function. So you can set this by your bedside, on a bedside cabinet, set an alarm, and then actually have this wake you up, and you can of course snooze that alarm. The actual audio quality, now this is a tricky one to really tell you about, because this is a very small device. It's got a 5 watt output, which isn't very high, but for the size of the actual radio, it's acceptable. Frequency response is quoted at 100 Hz to 20 kHz, which again is not a very wide frequency range, but it does sound pretty good. A nice amount of detail. It doesn't go up very high in volume, but it doesn't distort either, so they've put a good quality speaker inside here. Using something connected over Bluetooth, you get roughly a 10-meter range. That's the limitation of Bluetooth, of course. But it sounds really good. So it's good for listening to all different genres of music. It's just a happy, very cheery, fun radio with lots of functionality. I love the fact it's got DAB radio built in, so you can listen to radio if you want. Love the fact it's got Bluetooth built in as well, so you can connect those Bluetooth devices. And also that it's got the alarm functionality. It just makes it a very fun, compact radio. Nice carry handle, love the design. This is the Kitsound Air. So that's it for this video. Check out the links in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, as always, hit that like button, because that really does help me. Please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in another video very soon.